the Kanga 220, an ideal little startup machine or a spare machine, whatever you'd like. It's a hot water extraction machine, so we pour hot water into here, put it in with a bucket or a hose from the laundry tap. Hot water goes in here, dirty water comes back into this side of the machine, so the customer can see the dirty water coming in through this clear container, down into this big tank here. Here is the little shut-off valve and filter that stops water going down in through the vacuum motor. So we clip that back on, that's ready to go. Now we've just got to connect up the machine. But first, this is a hot water extraction machine, so what we're doing here is we're spraying clean hot water down into the carpet, and it's picked up in this vacuum chamber here. So clean water goes in, dirty water comes back up through the hose in through there. Now before we start the machine up, we always need to connect up to the wand. So the first thing we're going to do is put the vacuum hose onto there, click this on, so just pull that back, slide that on, that's clicked on nice and tight. When you put the wand down, always put the wand down on this handle. Don't do it this way, it puts too much pressure on that fitting there. Now we connect the hoses to the machine. Click, that's in. Back end of the hose goes into there, and we're ready to start. And now all we need to do is plug in the power. We switch the 3 switches on, one at a time. Now we disconnect the hoses. That seems awfully tight. I know what the problem is. We've still got pressure in the line. You must release that pressure by just giving that trigger a squeeze, like that. Now it'll come off easily. Disconnect the hoses, and we simply pull this latch up and that'll dump the water. But make sure you've got a bucket underneath it to catch all the dirty water. That dirty water then gets put into like a toilet or a laundry tub, or you may take it out into the garden bed and put it in amongst the flowers. It'll actually help them grow.